one thing that must happen, we must always look at this guy. He's making a run, but now someone needs to go with the runner. What they did well in this game, remember guys, it's preseason. You don't have to worry about the results, especially Chiefs fans. Highlight, offside. Was it offside? I'm not sure. Maybe it was offside. Maybe it was offside. Two center backs, two double pivot. Silver Fox, Nangungobola. So this system, when the two strikers, Silver Fox, when they drop, it causes a confusion between the center backs of the other team because they wouldn't know who batrope or bayenzi, right? Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Kaizer Chiefs played against the Elche team from Spain, right? I wasn't impressed by the Chiefs in terms of their attacking structure. So I'm going to show you how they are structured when they don't have the ball and their build-up play. When the Chiefs announced the coach De Cruz, I did a video, Yaga De Cruz, on how he plays, his system or his style of play. You can go and have a look at that. But now, let's start. I got this video on YouTube. So, Izologin Paizis, sharp. They played Chiefs in this game, played a 4-4-1-1, right? But now, it looks like a 4-4-2 because you have Ungobo here. Now, the most important thing, but what I noticed about the Chiefs is the line that they have at the back. They actually improved when it comes to holding a straight line. Last season, they couldn't hold a straight line. And it's very smart from the coach, the Chiefs, because if you don't have good defenders, you must not put them in situations of defender because bazo concede, right? Rather have them but defend la. Yes, at the same time, it's very dangerous to play like this. Now let me try and take it back, because one thing that must happen, we must always look at this guy. He's making a run, but now someone needs to go with the runner. As much as we are holding a line, as much as you hold the line, song is Bambi line, but now someone needs to go with the runner. It doesn't mean good magic because Sibambe line. Second clip, Chiefs Ijala a high line. You can say it's a high line, mid block, Chiefs pressing. What they did well in this game, remember guys, it's preseason. You don't have to worry about the results, especially Chiefs fans. Highlight, offside. Was it offside? I'm not sure. Maybe it was offside. Maybe it was offside. But what I'm trying to show you is the Chiefs playing that high line. There's nothing wrong with that, and it's very good because I don't think the Chiefs has the perfect players in the midfield or in defense, to play deep. To play, when I say deep, I mean to play in their own half, to defend in their own half. I don't think they have those kind of defenders. So the first point that I'm showing you is the Chiefs playing a high line or a straight line. They've improved from Ubamba E-line, because last year I see E-line angazi bekuyini nje bekwa-macaron. Second pointer, Kaizer Chiefs building out from the back. If you go and watch that video, if I were right, De Cruz likes playing a 4-4-2 where here Chiefs Bejala a 4-4-1-1 ngonqobo, right? But now what he likes to do with his two strikers, it's for them to always drop in a bit. You wanna watch uNgcobo uzovela la. There is uNgcobo, and then look at where is Ulilepo. You look at where, not Ulilepo, man, Usilver Fox. This is Usilver Fox. You have uNgcobo, you have Usilver Fox there. Like Usilver Fox is a striker, we know that. uNgcobo is a 10 or a second strike, but way two are pushing. And then you have your two wingers. Your right winger who pushile there, and then you have Uvilakazi who pushile on this side, on the left hand side. Now watch what happens. Chiefs yadlala. The problem now, this system is a good system, but ifuna abanikazi bayo, and I don't think Chiefs inawo lawo ma-player lawo to play this system. Now as a coach, if you see with I don't have those kind of players, you still continue udlale abantu abanjalo. We're still building up from the back. Le angeke ngiyistophe. I'm just gonna talk over it. Sharp. Silver Fox nangu uNgcobo la. Chiefs yenzeni yiye pretty ball. Polaliza ku Silver Fox goes back. This system needs individual players. Players that can think, players that are not you see, bayithula. Uvilakazi ukuphi? Uvilakazi uphambili waka Silver Fox. This system, it needs players that mabalithola, they can always minus one player, two players. But if we're just going to pass the ball, pass la ubheke corner, and then ngeke siye phambili. Because if you watch the second half, it wasn't a nice game to watch, but it's still pre-season. Final clip bese ngiyayivala. Two center backs, two double pivot, angithi Silver Fox nangu uNgcobo la. So this system, it creates a confusion between the Chiefs. Okay, they end up losing the ball. Now this system, when the two strikers, Silver Fox and uNgcobo, when they drop, it causes a confusion between the center backs of the other team, because they wouldn't know ukuthi badrope or bayenzeni. Right? Now it becomes easy for Chiefs, if they have good players, just to play out from the back. But you need good players for the system there. This was a very hard video to do, but I hope you got those 2 pointers. Right? Please like, please share, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.